Okay, we're in Taipa village. We got a little bit of a park here. Let's give you a show of where we are exactly. So we're in this Taipa area. It's kind of a main street, and we're gonna get a little closer to that. Right in the Taipa village. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. In the background, it's old Taipa Tavern, OTT. So let's go see.
就將呢個故事傳到世界各地，嚟到1885年，坎仔圍一間教堂咧就建成咯喎。教區咧就決定用嘉湖為教堂命名，我哋華人譯音就做嘉模，亦都係我哋嘉模區嘅名字由來啊！
呢度每一個名字歷史都係非常悠久，呢度每一個名字都俾咗好多人信心同埋勇氣，呢度每一個名字都值得我哋發掘佢哋嘅故事，
否則就只會成為被遺忘嘅回憶。
故事小販今日講完故事啦，希望你哋可以記得佢哋，然後再將呢啲故事傳承落去。
傳承係無價㗎，故事小販，下次再見啦。
再見。
Okay. So we're gonna fade on out. So yeah, it looks like they had a little bit of a show there. It's kind of cool. In the background, it's little Taipa Tavern. There's a bar back there. Pretty cool. Another photographer here. Okay, so this is what this is. Performances in the sphere of insightful cultural excursion in Taipa. It says right there. Okay, so we're gonna head on out, and this is in Largo, Camoes. And we're kind of on this main street now. Taipa. That's a stadium. That's Galaxy. So let's close it right there. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.